Hey guys, this is Quinn, that snazzy iPhone guy, and this is a preview to CodeThemed.com. Now before we get started, I know a lot of you are wondering, Quinn, what the crap is going on? Where are your reviews? Where are your videos? Well, I apologize, they are coming. I've been a little bit truant with that, and so I apologize. I've been working really hard on this. Not this page, because that would be embarrassing. Unlimitedcase.com. Now, we are switching names permanently. We will be unlimitedcase.com, as right there. We still have our old domains right now, but we're all transferring that over. And we're creating a beautiful, beautiful new site with crazy things you've never seen on a retail site before. These aren't them, I'm just saying really cool stuff you've never seen on an iPhone accessory site. We're doing comparisons. We're embedding YouTube reviews so you can see, is this something I want to buy? If you're a reviewer, your video is probably there. You'll have a submission tool so you can say, hey, add my video to this page. There's commenting, there's threads. It's really cool, and I really think you're going to like it. So I'm working really hard on that. The quote right now is 77 days. I've been working so hard it will not be that. It will be a small fraction of that. It's coming soon, I think, and so hopefully you'll be able to see it soon enough. But right now we are going to be talking about www.codethemed.com. Now, this is developed by Nick and Jonathan, two kids. Jonathan, I believe, is 17. Correct me if I'm wrong, Jonathan. He might be only 16. And Nick is 14. Now, Nick is doing the code side of this, and Jonathan is doing the visual arts side. So, I mean, they're two partners in crime, and I can't believe that this is two kids developing this. This is the most insane thing I've ever seen. I've seen some gorgeous stuff done by some kids, but this is nuts. So what it allows you to do is to create, mix, and share iPhone themes. Now, you do still need to be jailbroken. However, there is a really cool way to get these themes on your phone that are very easy and painless. So you can create your own themes. You can customize your phone exactly to your wanting without any pain, without any anguish, without any knowledge whatsoever on coding. So beta tester that I am. So I just signed in. I had to show you my email, so I cut that out. But here we go. This is the basic interface for CodeThemed.com. They do have advertisements in there that I'm assuming that's how it's run, because they don't charge for this as of right now anyway. They may in the future, but I think it's staying a free service. But you know, 97 tweets, 8 Facebook, 7 digs. This is really cool. So there's a community. You can follow certain people, and when someone you're following creates a theme, it shows you it, and you can apply it to your device within like 3 or 4 clicks. Really cool. There's messaging, there's forums, there's all this cool stuff. But what I would like to show you is how to build a theme. So here we are, and we're in the theme builder, and here's where we work our magic. Now you can randomize it, you can save changes, or you can use one of their pre-built themes. Now they have a ton of icons that you can use to make your device exactly as you want it. You can also upload your own, and you can upload just an ugly square icon like this, 50 by 50 I believe they are, and it can make them a pretty iPhone version like that. You use Adobe Photoshop, something like that, but you know, very nice, very cool little feature. But I'm just going to show you all the preset ones because I haven't had the time to create one of my own icons in Photoshop. But what we're going to do here is set our lock screen wallpaper. Now you can choose from a variety of them. They have a ton of them that you can pick. I mean, you can load a ton. When I say there's a ton, I'm serious. There's a ton of them, which is really cool because it's totally customizable to the way you want it. They've spent a ton of time making this kind of stuff. So really cool. Let's say I want this one. I'm going to apply this to my lock screen. That's actually a little off center. So how about I do this one? There you go. So here's my pinstripe lock screen, and I now slide to unlock. Now I want to set a background. I don't want it to be black. So let's try this little drawer one. This looks kind of cool. Oh shoot, I applied that to the lock screen. Sorry about that. So we'll fix that. There we go. It's kind of neat, but you know, not my first preference. So how about this one? Apply to home screen. That's seizure-like. But I mean, that's the fun of this, is there's so many that they've created that you can use, and you can also upload your own. You can upload your own freaking background, which is really cool. Let's go with this one because it's very, you know, gradient, very basic, and you can, from here, you can choose your icons. Now you can choose from this list over here. or you can click the icon itself and it loads all the message icons. So let's say I want to go with this black kind of theme they've created. You simply take the icon and you drag it over. Now calendar, same deal. Find the black one, drag it over. Photos. So as you can see, it's very easy to build the theme that you want. Now, I mean, I don't have to use this black one. I could do this one if I wanted, or this one. And it all works. I'm going to go with this one. Simply to keep consistency. There's a lot of people that like to jiggle it and mess it around. I like consistency in themes. So that's why I like Glasscal art. I use Glasscal art and people are like, Quinn, that's hideous. And it's just transparent icons. It isn't anything special. But I really like it because it's the way it is. It is basic. It is very consistent. So this is a very boring theme, but you know, it looks good, looks pretty. So this is what you can do within this application. You simply take these icons and drag it over, and you know, it's not that complex. It's very easy and very basic, which is good, which is really great for a consumer site. Now I don't see one for this, so let's use this one maybe. Does that look a little funny? How about that one? That's probably the one that's built for iTunes, App Store. So, I mean, there are a ton of icons, and it's not just those. You can also create your own. So, I mean, there's several pages if I wanted. So I've created EO Magic as an app. Now I could upload my app here and make an icon for Essentials of Magic that adjusts to my theme. I can add more icons. If I want one for Plants vs. Zombies, I type the short code of that application, which you can find just by looking at it. So, like, let's see. A really long title is, let's say there's Foursquare. I hate the Foursquare icon personally. So I could upload that and create my own icon. So I would select a new app and type exactly as it is, Foursquare. There's no capitals, that's how it is. And then I can upload icons to that, or I can use their own. So I could go to like something that's not related. Oops. This side scroller, let's say I wanted to add a Cydio icon or something like that. I don't know why you would, but you could. And that's why it's cool, is because you have the flexibility of doing that. Or you can create your own. So we are going to take that and just finish this first page off so I can show you exactly what it looks like. As you can see, it's so simple and so easy. It's really fast too. And so I really like this kind of idea that Jonathan and Nick have come up with. So here we go. This is what I want. Now, I don't really like this kind of dock. I never have, never been suited to my fancy. So there's a ton of docks over here. I can choose whichever one I want. There's one, this one is really basic, but I really like it. You can also do kind of a Mac OS 10 little looking dock, but let's just do this one. There you go. That's my theme. Now I love how the battery is real time. They create like this red battery and they're just making jokes at the sucky battery life Apple has. But there's more you can do. Over here in this extras tab, I can create transparency, which has always been sketchy in iPhone apps because, you know, it's always in some settings apps, but you mess with it and you have to restore. So this is absolutely, it will work. There's no problems with transparency. You can also change the font of the icon. So you could do marker felt, you could do trebuchet, you know, something like that. So there you go. I personally like Helvetica. And you can also change the color. See? And so let's say I know my icons all really well and I don't want anything. There you go. Or maybe I only want them on here. I don't want them on my dock. Or maybe all on, maybe all off. And I can change the color, and I think I can grab the hex key right here. So let's say right there, I take that and I paste that, or copy that. Then I can take it over here. Oops. Paste that down so they're all consistent. Well, let's just turn those off. Now I can change the sliders. This is really cool. So let's go to the lock device, the slider button. You can upload your own, or you can browse through theirs. Once again, they have tons of them. So we have this kind of industrial look. See, I mean, you can create something so simple as that. Drag it over, and it's there. Drag it over, it's there. Drag it over, it's there, you know? But let's create one that kind of is consistent with my theme, kind of industrial. I like this one a little. How about this one? Right there. Okay. Now, there you go. And I can also change the freaking text. This is sweet, okay? So slide to unlock, instead of slide to unlock, I could say, TSIG, or Quinn, or slide to You know, whatever you want, you can do. Now you can also change the power off. Don't kill me. Or slide to answer. Please don't let it be. Oh, see, you can only go so far, but you know, you can create something really immature and stupid. There you go. I mean, the options are limited. Limitless. There really are just a ton of things you can do, and they're all really funny, all really cool. And so there you go. I mean, it's just right now it's pretty basic, but you can search, and there will be search later, but it's really, really cool. And the more people, the more communities, there will be icons added here. So let's say one of my buddies, maybe it's not a bunny, maybe it's a complete stranger. Maybe he makes an icon for EO Magic, and I say, hey, I really like that. I'm going to take that, and I'm going to drag it over, instead of having to build my own. So I really, really like the idea of this neat application. There is no compass one for this because everyone throws the compass in a categories folder. But, you know, it's really cool. You can also randomize it. So let's save the changes here because I like my template, and I can say this theme name is Glossy Black. And I can say save theme. Oh, please enter a description. This theme is nice. Save theme. So now I can view this theme just as I did before. Maybe that doesn't work yet. Maybe that's not an option yet. But here's the really cool thing. So let's just randomize one really quickly. Okay, so it's building my theme. It takes a second, but that's it. As we are currently building my theme, there we go. Okay, so it's built. Here it is. You know, I can change any element I want. There. Okay, so or there. All right, that's what I want. Oh, I don't like that city icon. Let's change it to this one. You know, you can do whatever you freaking want, which I really like. I love this App Store icon, by the way. This one's really good too. So there you go. Very simple, very basic. Now, what I want to do is download the theme. Now, it takes a second to build it, but there's 3 really awesome features and 3 really awesome ways to get it onto your device. Now, you can do the regular old FTP. You download this as a zip file, you unarchive it, and throw it on via FTP or via, you know, disk aid. You can get it onto your phone. But hey, that's not that easy. That's not that simple. And oh, maybe I'm in a library. There is no FTP client here. You don't have to do that. You can send it directly to your iPhone when this is launched using the CodeThemed application. It will probably be available in Cydia under either their repo or Big Boss or something like that. I'm not sure. But you can transfer the theme when it's available, and the CodeThemed application will be sent into your application. So I have this theme, or I have this app called CodeThemed. I open it up, bam, and holy crap, the theme I just made is on the application. You can also submit it to Cydia. Now this will be in their repo. So you can go directly through the repo and find other people in the community's options. You can Twitter it, Facebook, dig it, email it. This is really cool, and I think it will be very successful in the future. Jonathan and Nick have done an excellent job. It launches in a few weeks. They have all this other cool stuff. You can, you know, chat with other people. I'm super excited, and I don't think I'm the only one. I think it's going to be a really cool release, and I am just blasted excited for it. So it also, okay, this is the more crazy thing. So there's different sections in Cydia, right? Well, there's a ton of them. There's 3,000 themes. So let's say I want the, holy crap, there are a ton of themes in here. Let's say I want the Accelerate theme. I don't even know what that is. But I can download that and import it into my builder. It shows you a preview, so there it is. Yeah, that's ugly. But I wonder if you can search it yet. You may not be able to. Themes. If I were to want glass color, maybe I can, no. Oh, search Cydia for glass color. Okay, so this is my all-time favorite theme. It is just absolutely incredible. And, oh, here we go. So, very simple, very simplistic, all these transparent icons here. But I love it. Now, I can import this into my builder, which is so cool. I can import the icons, the docs. I don't want the docs, and I don't want the walls. We'll just do the icons. So since there's 5,000 icons, it's really fast. Wow, okay. Slide to unlock, and oh, messages. Nah, I want the glass color theme. I don't know where it is or how you get to it. Oh, maybe it's one of these. You see, I haven't played around with this enough, so I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe that's not a total option yet. Maybe that's just for show right now. But I don't know. None of those are glass color icons. But in the future, you'll be able to do that. You'll be able to take other themes from Cydia and apply them and change them how you want, which is so freaking cool. I love that. Brilliant idea, and I think it's just absolutely marvelous. CodeThemed, guys, please follow them on Twitter. Please follow Jonathan and Nick Frey. This is huge. Really original. I'm so excited. I spent 15 minutes talking to you about it, so I apologize. But it is just a brilliant idea from two brilliant kids. And marvelous. CodeThemed.com. You know, I can't wait. I think it's going to be a really, really cool little feature and really cool little website once they launch it. So there you go. Follow them on Twitter, twitter.com, CodeThemed, and then twitter.com/Jonathan from UPR, and then twitter.com/Nick Frey. Brilliant kids. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. You are all great. Thank you for supporting me. Videos will be coming soon. And and as always, stay snazzy. Have a good one.